Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to edit an existing skill in Claude Cowork. So, as I said in this video, I will show you how to edit an existing skill in Claude Cowork. Because sometimes you have the situation when you build a skill, when you test it, and Claude might ignore it completely and just answers freehand, and you are asking yourself basically what went wrong. Almost always it is the description of the skill. The description is the only thing that Claude reads to decide whether to use skill or not. And if you have the wrong description, your skill will never be used. And in this video, I will show you how you can easily rewrite this description in order to make your skill work better. So, we can do it like this. So let's go into customize section and we can go into skills. Here I have the weekly status report skill with the description that is very short. So convert math weekly bullet point notes into a clean structure status report. As you can see, it is not looking good, and we can actually change it with the AI model. So we can actually ask AI here to write the description of our skill. So we write the description of my weekly status report skill. Maybe I will fix that. So description and rewrite like this. So my weekly status report skill, so it triggers on more natural phrasing, example, people might say things like, and now we can actually write something that we need to we need to write some phrases that people can use in order to trigger the skill. So write up my week, for example, summarize my notes, for example, turn this into a report, maybe here is what I did this week, and add those trigger patterns without making the description too long. Also, we didn't specify the output format, so I tested it, and by default it is creating the markdown file. We can actually write something like this, so make sure that the output is plain is a text ready to copy. For example, I cannot not a file like markdown, or for example docx. So it will look like this, and we can ask the AI to do it. So we will ask it to write this description. Let me read the current skill first. So reading, we are using the read weekly status report skill, and as you can see, we actually use this weekly status report skill. So it is how does it look like? Here is the updated description. So turns row nicknames, bullet points, and or a brain dump into a clear structure status report. Use someone says something like this, as I said, and this is how does it look like. I can copy that, and I can go into the customize section, into the skills, and we can edit that from there. So edit, and we will paste that here. I think the AI haven't added the output, so I will add make sure that the output is maybe we will create this txt file. So I will save that, and now we will actually use this skill. So I will show you how does it look like. So as you can see, my skill has been updated. I can remove that, and maybe I will add. So for example, here are my notes from this week. Can you write it up nicely? Now I will add, for example, what did I do? So ship login fix, maybe review 3 PRs. I can actually make the space here. Blocked on design, assets, and maybe for the next week finish dashboard like this, and we can press enter. And now actually, of course, we are running the skill, and this will create me a structured report of my week from these 4 points that are not really written nicely and are very short. We will have the weekly status report that we can actually open, and here it is. As you can see, we have accomplishments, blockers, next week, and this is how it looks like. And even though I write, for example, so reviewed 3 PRs, the AI written in the nice way, so reviewed 3 pull requests contributing to team code quality and velocity. And for example, I write shipped login fix, shipped a fix for the login issue, resolving a key user-facing bug. So this is written in the nicer way, as you can see. So this is how you can edit skill in Claude Cowork. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.